welcome to the 2018 Job Fair and Career Fair here at AUIS. We're delighted this year to welcome many students from our neighboring universities who help to contribute to the economy by participating in this important event. So welcome to the University of Suleimani, Ishik University, and others. We hope that you have happy hunting here. And thank you to our corporate sponsors as well, who have contributed so much to the region and are helping our students and others to prepare for the future.
We have a long association with AUIS, and we're very pleased to support AUIS in all of their activities. We're here today at the Career Fair in 2018, and we're very interested to speak with all of the students, including engineering students, because we have refinery, we have a power plant, and we have other engineering and construction facilities.
ئێمە وەکو مۆکانمۆر هەموو ساڵێک بەشداریمان کردووە لە کارێر فێرەکانی زانکۆی ئەمریکا و لە چەند ئیڤێنتێکی تری زانکۆی ئەمریکیشە. ئێمە ئەمانەی سەپۆرتی زانکۆی ئەمریکی کەن چونکە بەڕاستی زانکۆیەکە کە زۆر شتی فێری ئێمە کردووە. من وەکو خوێندکارێک زۆر شتی لێوە فێر بووم توانیم بە چەند بزنسێک دانم.
We are incredibly excited to be here. Youth empowerment, youth voices are a very critical component of our organization, our activities, our programs. And we're really looking forward to interacting with some of the region's best and brightest students and alumni. And we hope that we have some exciting opportunities in the field of peace building, in the field of social cohesion to offer. And that's exactly what we're looking for here today.
This is our 7th annual career fair, and we're very excited about it because we have several different reasons for doing this. Number one, we want to get our students in contact with employers and employers in contact with our students. Number two, we want to open our doors to the community. We have guests from other universities all around the region, all around the country joining us. We're very excited to reach both of those goals.
We really need to find good, smart people to work with us because we really need to provide professional services. And American University is the best university that we can find, we can reach well-educated students.
It's really challenging, it's really fun to have your own business at the same time studying at the university. I encourage every student to establish their own business and study at the university, bring the skills from the school at the university to the marketplace and practicing them to provide really professional and good services to the market.
I believe one of the main challenges businesses face in this region is having access to qualified candidates. Therefore, through participating in this career fair, businesses and recruiters can have access to a large pool of candidates or potential candidates where they could hire from.